Okay.
Okay. Straight.
Okay. Give your hand. Casually wash your hand. Yeah. She helped them. You see. You come here. Okay. After this one is this group. This one is your. Oh my God. This one is your.
Yeah.
Okay. What happened? What happened? Oh my God. You guys have very big muscle. But what happened? No, because you guys don't have any ex-boyfriend. That's why not that. You cook with this, your curry is Michelin. If you cook with this, your curry is local market. So up to you. You want Michelin or local market? Okay. Just kidding. Spoon. Okay, one portion. If you wanna keep it, you can keep it. You can feel only salty and spicy, no sour taste inside. Okay. Yeah, that means if you keep curry paste in refrigerator long time before cooking, taste this one first. If you feel a little bit sour inside, don't use it. Throw because it is gone. Okay. This one for
Sticky rice. This for
you
you.
come together, taste together. Okay. Like this one. Just use the hand.
Oh, just the hand.
Come on, Mother.
Okay, you move a little bit here and then move. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Taste together. This is texture of the sticky rice after cook. Yeah. Yeah, it is very sticky. Okay.
So when they make those desserts and wraps and everything with rice, is it the sticky rice?
Sticky rice.
It's not the other rice.
No, yes.
That's like pounded into like one thick.
Yeah. Then thick and wrap with the bamboo, wrap with the banana and steam.
What do you think,
And
Lala?
that's just compressing
What do you
sticky
think?
rice?
Yes, the sticky rice, not the normal rice. Yeah. Okay. That's why Thai people, we eat the sticky rice a lot. Okay. Actually, we eat this sticky rice with papaya salad, with fried chicken, and two. Okay. How much sugar? Okay, 2 cups of sugar.
That's a lot of sugar. 2
Okay.
tablespoons.
You want 2 spoons, right? Not 2 cups.
Yeah.
Okay. If 2 cup diabetes, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I use only 2 spoons, not 2 cups. Don't worry, okay?
That sounds
Yeah.
Spoon.
Yes.
That's American.
Yeah, American spoon. Okay. 1 spoon is 80 grams. 2 spoons is 160 grams.
It's more than 2 tablespoons.
And 2, not American spoon for the salt. If you use American spoon, cannot eat. Alright, then I turn on the heat. 1, 2, 3. I need to boiling this one. Stir and smile. Stir and smile. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and then.
This one's not my ex-boyfriend.
Ex-boyfriend.
No, this one's nice.
Oh, okay.
All right, Chase on, take over. We're not looking. I just serve.
Okay. And if you yummy.
It's like
Yummy,
the
yummy.
liquid that's on sticky rice.
It's like I'm a child again.
Leave it inเลยค่ะ The smell will be more stronger. Okay, and then okay. But right now it look like congee.
Yeah.
It look like joke. You still cannot eat.
Cover it
But
for
when
1
you
hour.
cover,
An hour,
don't keep
Lavia.
in the fridge, okay? If you keep this one in the fridge, it will be hot. That's
So
why.
outside.
Room temperature.
Ah,
Okay, just keep it room temperature about 1 hour. Bye bye. See you one. This one look like a piece because I keep it in the fridge. Remember, if I heat it, it will become water. Same. That's why if you want it creamy, what to do? Coconut is 2 teaspoons. That's why I add 1 and then I add 2 teaspoons. Okay. And mix the flour together with the coconut cream กันนะนี่ mix it ก่อน
It's for the
before you
toppings.
turn on. Keep coconut in the fridge. That's why it is become. You know grapefruit, right?
Yeah, it reminds me of grapefruit.
Yeah, but in Thailand, it's a 17 upstairs.
Oh.
No, okay, you will see the texture is become more and more smooth. More smooth, นะ keep stirring more smooth,
It
more
does
smooth.
look like ice cream.
Grapefruit is
Pomelo
like
salad.
orange. After you peel and then you do, you will get the texture is more dry. Now, what is here? What is here? Our vegetable inside. Remember? This is
Share.
70 about chili paste เป็นไรต้มยำกุ้งเลย you bought it already
Lime.
ได้ค่ะ and this is chili powder okay some of you never taste
Chili.
of the coconut sugar that's why I'll give you tasting this one is a spoon you can taste coconut sugar with the curve of the spoon and squeeze and just move the finger ไหมนี่ you will get lime juice more easily center of lime with the curve of the spoon and squeeze and just move your finger
Innovation.
okay
It's just amazing.
okay and then mix the dressing นี่ like this okay you slow up down okay
It's dark.
I feel like it's not gonna be that easy.
like this now up down alright roll ไหม roll until finish see
We can do it.
it's very easy
Don't want to
simple
do it.
alright that's why I leave the next step mix no okay put together smells good and peanuts okay yeah right here okay good ใช่ไหม just very this is you okay photo like this นี่เดี๋ยว